Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll discuss more examples of variables and data types in VBA. In last video, we talked about integer data type. So those who haven't watched that video, you can go ahead and watch that video. I'll put it in the I button. And if you look at the size of data integer can hold, it is up to 32,767. If you go beyond that, so it will give you an overflow error, right? So let's get it into practical stuff. So let me declare one variable whereas integer. If I pass where equal to 32,767 and return it back in v2 dot value equal to where again. If I run this code, it's fine, it will not give any error. The moment I change it to 68, it will give it overflow error, right? So how we can change it? Since this capacity is full, that means just like container, so you have different container, different containers. So this, the integer type of data type of variable can contain up to 32,767. If you go beyond that, so you go, just like a pot, you have different pot altogether. So in some pot you can put 1 liter, in some 2 liter and 5 liter, and so and so forth. Similarly here, if I change it to long, so it can hold that data because long has more capacity. If I increase the values as well, maybe this value, it can contain this value as well, right? But if what if I put some decimal values as well, decimal, so you can see it cannot hold. So up to this point it can hold these decimal values, it cannot hold. So how we can achieve this? Target declare a variable. So that is why you have to be very careful while declaring a variable. If your data contains decimal values, so you have to declare as double, because double can contain 8 bytes. So that means it has more capacity than long, right? So let's check that. So now you can see it can hold that decimal places values, right? You can put further how many up to this, right? Let's see another example of other data type. So we got the Boolean as well. So Boolean can contain false, right? So if I say where 3 greater than 2, what should it contain? So it should contain 2. And if I make it maybe 6, so what will be the answer? False, because 3 is less than 6. So this is the Boolean. Let's talk about one more data type, which is date. I'll change the 3, example 3. Let it date. And if I put date as here, today's date. Today, if I run this, you can see today's date. Let me show you one more data type. This time, string data type. Example 4, whereas string I've already talked about, like I'm putting it. So string data type which can contain character values, so it should be written in double quote, like welcome. If I run this, now you can see welcome. And there is one more data type which is, we call it variant. But variant is the default data type. If you don't declare any variable, just like that, remove it and put any values, even decimal, maybe in b3. Now you can see in b3, because I am not declaring any variable, but it is by default taking as, and there is no error. You can put even character value welcome. I haven't declared anything, but by default it is taking as variant. So variant is a default data type, and it can contain any type of data type, like integer, double, true, false, whatever it is, even true. That's it for today video. I hope you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.